dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
I'll be right with you. This time, nothing can go wrong. Okay, here we go with another cartoon. Guess who?
Allowed. Signed, Marshal Woody Woodpecker. Ha! That's a laugh. Why, I'll tear him apart.
You mean the one with the red hair?
Yeah.
And the big nose?
Yeah.
And they go, ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
And he is one big TV star?
Yeah, that's the one.
I don't know him, senor.
Mine a horse's neck.
Get out of here!
Eh, too good to drink with the horses, eh? Oh, I hate him.
Okay, gents, let's put a little life in the party. Start dancing. Warm things up a bit.
Here comes the marshal.
Bring on your marshal. I'll rip him in two.
I'm giving you 5 seconds to come out of there, partner. Or I'm a-coming in a-shooting.
Don't shoot, Marshal. I'll give up. Why, you ornery little horned toad. I'm giving you till sundown to get out of town. Time's up.
He bushwhacked me when I wasn't looking, senor.
It's time we had a showdown, punk. Ready! Oh, come on, do it right.
Who brought that?
Which way did that woodpecker go?
You mean the one with the red hair?
Yeah.
And the big nose?
Yeah.
And they go, ha 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 ha.
Yeah, that's the one.
I don't know him, senor.
Very funny.
to go.
There, stupid!
Ah, siesta time.
What? Again?
What happened to that woodpecker?
You mean the one with the red hair
Yeah,
and the big nose
yeah.
and they go ha 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 ha?
Yeah.
I don't know him, senor.